We are all closing for holidays until after elections. It's going to be a long holiday. So to the parents and the children, I have only 2 requests. The first one is to pray for me. I'm a candidate for the Member of Parliament for Mbale City, and I've been on this campaigning for this seat for 15 years and I've never got. This time let you pray, you support me and I get. I have been patient, I've been bademugumikiriza ate nga ndi mwana wa community nga Wanyama ne Oneni. Bano bonna bayita mudda ne balyako ebifo. Tesiyitanga mukko wano Embaali. Nange njagala kwakolesa lya Kenneth ne Wanyama na.
Banayendula enzo n'emizira n'okwagala kwonna.
So njagala kwebaza flag NRM nagifuna Mwanyala Naabi naye kabakubireko mu ngalo. Naye flag atemala. Basaba akalulu bawadde olunaku ne timing. Mujje munkubira akalulu. My symbol is the bus. Bus chi? NRM party ndiwa bus. Nze nina flag. So you remember the what? The bus. The face will be there. The name will be there, but the bus will also be there. So I wish you a very happy holiday. Abaise, congratulations. We wish you the best. Abana bafa bagole jambo makubireko mu ngalo. Abana mwebale kusoma. Abana tubakubireko mu ngalo. Abana be bafa bagole. Abana mwebale kusoma. And happy graduation day. So nzize wano okusanyuka n'abaana n'abazadde n'ab'essomero. Director ne teacher bayagadde boogere nga wendi. Byonna bye mwogedde bikulu. I have taken notes. Nakola kyonna nga bwe mbadde nkola bulijjo okulaba nti nange Fulbright endi ku mutima tukolere abaana baffe tukolere community, tuzimbe community. Education is very important for the community. Naye mu byonna mwebale kumpita ekiri mu ddiiro nga mugenze mu holiday eno mpanvu egenda mutandisero paka end of January. Kwa tulinayo okuloda, we have an elections. Nze nga Lydia Onyoto Mutende mbeebaza akalulu ka fulaga naddala akawano nafunako nanake namuusa okutalira wamu. Mwebale nnyo mwebalidde ddala. Asaba akalulu nga 15 January. Wano mukubira wa akalulu, wano mukubira wa akalulu abawano. Mukubira wa? Ojako era ogende wali kwinamu engalo we mukubira akalulu. Bokisi esooka mukubire pulezidenti akalulu. Bokisi ey'okubiri. Bokisi eyaki? Bokisi ey'okubiri eya big sister. Bokisi ey'omukyala. Banange temukola nsobi. Munakola ensobi ate? Mumpe chansi ebokisi ey'okubiri mukubire big sister. Ekifaananyi kyange ekiri erinnya Lydia Onyoto Mutende akabonero bus. I want to thank the teachers and the school management for teaching the children and for keeping them busy throughout the year. Thank you so much. Yes, Makuloma, kiri mu iddiiro new generations. You'll be in holidays, but on the 15th of January, wano mukubira wa akalulu. Abaana mukubira wansi wano. Nikubalomba seti mukawune lunakulo ngali 15 January. It will be a public holiday, but you also be on holiday. The schools will not be operational. You come and walk there. The first box you'll be voting the president. But the second box, Abachala, a box ey'okubiri yaffe wadde erinnya liriko nze Lydia Onyoto Mutende akabonero ki bus. My symbol is the bus. I am the flag bearer for the NRM party. But this position is for women. I want to request you, my sisters,
please support me and campaign for me and begin by voting for me, yourselves individually, and then mobilize other women to campaign and to vote. This seat is going to work for you. Am I clear? Let us mobilize the fathers, the youth, but please start with the women. This is our seat. Kino kyaffe ky'abakyala. Bananga abakyala mukkiriza ensonga eno. Eyiro Mikulu Nabi Nali Eswamai. Mukiiko ambasakalu ko muti yes ambasakalu kefeke bamai.
Mana apune mudikiriza 14 ndio mwikale mutitula kulwa ditula kulwa. So nabasimire tese yakaliki bina kitalo ngesi George Lekalu tese kiko mumutu tese kinyigira omuntu tese kindiko ni problem ate tuwele bera yimbikira bili abiri mumukavu so ni mu person zekoleki bagandi so nabalombere mu yumulayi ni babandi bamuba muwala tubalinde aganikire bubi na bakoleki balindeko Didi ya koleki azem parliament ibaleki kaweda bukachela wakoleki na baze lekina this is my time really it is my time and I want to thank God for it and I want to thank mama inaba tele ko na bidigo yole kwa kilo chiko chiche nini baba bakalunga na mubakongerese ni bagubuka wambira de lange community kalundi kuyo da community kuli mutu yes NRM kala ipatenga yes na kolera bya na kolera mezi ga bulimu lugu dobala lumu iso yolo kina ya bulimu so community campaign mwes kulindi ya dumu tat mudwera mwesi mupe kana kalu kisuli boxi bas sasa fika kubana mukonera umugonera yukina bakina mukamuambira so manya na bekupa ambira ko bagandi sa holidays ndaibana manya la kusoma I'm happy